Hello everybody, we are today the cellular respiration and the photosynthesis learning. Oxygen is a chemical element found in the air as a gas that is necessary for life. Plants create oxygen with photosynthesis, which is often used by animals and plants to breathe in fresh air. Carbon dioxide is the waste product of cellular respiration that you inhale each time you breathe in CO2, also known as carbon dioxide. Glucose is a simple sugar that is an important energy source in living organisms. For example, bread, rice, pasta, sugar, yogurt, milk, etc. are all things that have glucose. Plants need sunlight to grow green. Sunlight is used for the process of photosynthesis. Glucose is created by the plants who use the energy of the sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Water and nutrients are absorbed to the plant's roots. Plants need to get fluids and nutrients from the roots up to their stems, to the leaves where photosynthesis can occur. Cells must use ATP as their main form of energy. Eukaryote cells and plant cells get the adenosine triphosphate ATP from this process of cellular respiration, which takes place in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. NADPH is generated in the light-dependent reactions, which take place in the thylakoid membrane and is used in the independent light reactions, which take place in the stroma. The Calvin cycle is plant-independent because it takes place after the energy has been captured from sunlight. Pyruvates are two molecules formed from one molecule of glucose, which are then used to provide further energy. Glycolysis is the first step in respiratory relocation. In the plant's chloroplasts occur in all green tissues, though they are concentrated in the parenchyma cell. Chloroplasts play a huge cell role in photosynthesis. The latter reactions take place on the thylakoid membrane. The outside of the thylakoid membrane is the stroma. The light reactions occur only in the presence of light. My soul contains none. The dark reaction, which takes place in the thylakoid membrane in the stoma, does not use sunshine to complete sugar production. This makes up for the second part of photosynthesis, I want to die. Mitochondria are working organelles that keep the cell full of energy, small organelles floating free throughout the cell. Mitochondria are like the power generators of the cell. Glycolysis, the breakdown of glucose by enzymes releasing energy in pyruvic acid. Glycolysis breaks down the glucose to extract energy for cellular metabolism. All living organisms carry out glycolysis. Krebs cycle is a renaissance of reactions most living cells generate during mostly the aerobic respiration. It takes place in the mitochondria there. Electron transport chain is to build up a surplus of proton. The electron transport train occurs across the inner membrane of the mitochondria.
Will you let go of that stupid pizza already?
I can't, it's for the customer!
Who cares about the customer?
I do!
Well, I don't!
Squidward!
Yellows and look like SpongeBob. You still rock bottom of the bus.